Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the sorting. We'll discuss about the sorting. So what is mean by sorting? Arranging the elements in the order is called as a sorting. Arranging the elements in order is called as a sorting. Suppose for example we have elements like 7, 6, 4, 3. So the elements are given 7, 6, 4, 3. So here this is a unsorted order. This is a unsorted order. So we have to do this into sorted order. Sorted order. So what is meant by sorted order here? The elements are in smallest to longest, that is a 3, 4, 6, 7. So this is called as a sorting. In order to do sorting we have different mechanisms. So first one is called as a bubble sort. Second one is called as a selection sort. Third one is called as a insertion sort. Third one is called as a insertion sort. So we have more sorting mechanisms. First we will discuss these three in this video. So bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Now let us discuss about this bubble sort with example. So first one is a bubble sort. Bubble sort. Now for example we have the elements 7, 6, 4, 3. Now what is going to be happening in a bubble sort? So the elements given are, the values are, what are the values we have? That is a 7, 6, 4 and 3. So in bubble sort what is going to be happening means, first you compare first two values. Compare first two values. If first value and second value in the order, then it remains same. If it is not in the order, just you exchange. In other words, first value is less than second value, that is okay. Otherwise we have to swap. So if you see, the first value is 7 here and second value is 6. So 7 is there and 6 is there. 7 is greater than 6. What is the order we are expecting here? 6 and 7, because this is a sorted order. So just you swap this value, that is a, now we are getting here the array. We are getting the values as here, that is if we exchange 7, 6, we get 6, 7 swapping. 6, 7, 4, 3. Yeah. Now important thing is, first you compare first two adjacent values. Now you compare next second with third. So what is the procedure we are using? Compare first to second and second to third, third to fourth and so on. So what is the procedure? First to second means first one is less than second one, then that is okay. Otherwise we have to swap. So ikkada next what we are going to do here, that is you compare 7 and 4. Yes, 7 is greater than 4, 7 is not less than 4. So what we can do here, that is the values are here again is going to be swap, because 7 is greater than 4. So what we can do here now, that is a 6 is there and 7 and 4 is there. So you swap, 7 will come in place of 4 and 4 will come in place of 7. This is 3. Now again what is going to be do? We are going to do again you compare last two values. So here what we have to do now? So that is you take values. What are the values we have again? That is a 6, 4, 3, 7, because the elements are not in the order. Hence what we can do, just you can swap. So again I am telling you compare two adjacent values, then first value is less than second one remains same, but if it is not in the order, just you can swap. If you see 7 is there, 6 is there, this is not in the order, hence we swap. So what is going to be happen? 6 will come in place of 7 and 7 will come in place of 6. So like that you do first two values and next two values and next two values. So first 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So this is called as a pass 1. This is called as, this entire step is called as a pass 1. Now you take 6, 4, 3, 7. So what is going to be happening here now? So 6, 4, 3, 7. So here what we are going to do now again, 6, 4, 3, 7. Now compare first two. Okay, when you compare first two, 6 is greater than 4. So just you swap. So 6 will come in place of 4, that is 4, 6, 3, 7. Now what is going to be happening here? You compare 2, 3 values. So we see what we are going to do now. So that is a you compare next two. So this is a next two values. So here is going to be happening now. Yes, that is a thing. You compare 3 and 6. When you compare 3 and 6, what is going to be happening here? If you compare 3 and 6, that is a 4 will come first, then 3 will come first, then 6 is there, 7 is there. Just we interchange the values, exchange the values. Now, so what is going to be happening here? You compare next two values. What is the next two value? What are the next two values? That is a 6 and 7. So 6 and 7, this is in the order. So no need to change because first value is less than second value. Then it remains same. So here the final value is for pass 2, that is 4, 3, 6, 7. 4, 3, 6, 7. 4, 3, 6, 7. This entire procedure is called as a pass 2. This is called as pass 2. Now let us go to next pass, because you see the elements are in 4, 3, 6, 7. This is not in order. So what we can do now? Now just you take 4, 3, 6, 7. Now what we are going to do? You compare these two. When you compare these two, this is not in the order. So what we can do? Just you can swap. That is 3, 4, 6, 7. So 3, 4, 6, 7 is in the form of 3, 4, 6, 7 is in the form of sorted order. That is 3, 4, 6, 7. This is a original answer what we are expecting here. Remember, this is called as a pass 3. This is called as a pass 3. So in exam you have to write all these steps in very clear. So this is called as a bubble sort. This is called as a bubble sort. I hope this is clear for everyone. Let me take one more example and quickly we finish. This is a, again we have one more example for bubble sort. So let me take the elements are 3, 2, 1, 4, 3 to 1, 4, 5, 3 to 1, 4, 5. So what we have to do now, you compare, let me write here 3 to 1, 4. So now we will discuss about the bubble sort. So what are the elements we have? We are going to take, that is a 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. So you compare first to 2. Okay. When you see the elements are not in the order, just you swap 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Okay. You compare the first two elements, next 2, 3 elements. Then the elements are not in the order, just you swap 1, 3. Next you compare next two elements, that is a 3, 4. So this is in the order, so no need to change because 3, 4 is there. Again 4, 5. No need to change because this is in the order, that is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now this entire procedure is called as a pass 1. Next second elements. So what is the second pass? What is the final value of pass 1? 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So you take 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. So what we have to do? You compare first two elements. Okay, 2, 1. If you compare these two, this is not in order. So you just use swap. What is the answer we are getting here? That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called as a pass 2. This is called as a pass 2. So remember in the previous example the result came after 3 passes. Now the result came after 2 passes. So until and unless we get this result, we'll do this sorting. Thank you. Next we'll discuss about the selection sort. Next we will discuss about the selection sort. So through example we'll do. Second one is the selection sort. Selection sort. So in selection sort, what we are going to do now? So directly I will explain with the example 15, 31, 25, 17 and this value is 10. So this is the example we are going to discuss about the selection sort. So in selection sort there are two mechanisms. First one is take the first location value, and from remaining all the values you find the minimum value, you see here the minimum value is 10. So what we are going to do, just you swap these two. So what is the answer we are getting next? That is here 10, 31. So here we are getting 10, 31, 25, 17 and 15. So this is a first value 10, 31, 25, 15. Again you take second value, and find the minimum value over here. So minimum value is here 15. What is the minimum value here? 15. Just you swap these two. So what is the answer we are getting here? That is a 10. Then you have 15, 25, 17 and 31. Now what we are going to do here, that is a, so you take again third value. What is the minimum value over here? The minimum value is 17. Just you compare these two, that is 10. What is the answer we are getting here? 10, 15. So compare these two. When you compare these two are in the order. If not, you swap. So 17, 25 and 31. Again, what we are going to do, you take this location. So you compare these two. If you see the elements are in the order, so no need to modify these values because this is already in the order. This is a procedure 1. This is a procedure 1. So what we are going to do, you take first value and remaining all the values you take minimum value. You compare these two. If the elements are first location value and minimum value not in the order, so you need to swap. So this is called as a procedure 1. Let me explain second procedure, that is 15. Same example, 15, 31, 25, 17, 10. So you take last value of the array and from all these you choose biggest value. Maximum value is, this is the 31. Okay, you compare these two. Here remember, important, very important thing, the elements should be, last value should be greater than first value. So this value should be greater than first value, otherwise we change. You see 10 is less than 31, not greater than. So when the condition falls, just you swap. So what is the answer we are getting here? 15. 31 means in place of 31 we get 10, 25, 17 and 31. Again, what we are going to do, next location, again you find maximum value. What is the maximum value over from this array? The maximum value is 25. You compare these two. So 25 must be coming next, not above. So what we are going to do, just you swap. So 15, 10, 17, 25 and 31. Next, you take next value 10 and from above we have only one value 15. So 10 will come in the above, 15 will come in the below. So just you swap. What is the answer we are getting? 10, 15, 17, 25 and 31. So this is called as a output. So you see these two are same. So this one same. In procedure 1, what we are going to do, you select top value and you compare remaining values. You find the minimum value. You compare minimum value with top value, and if those are not in order, just you swap. This is called as a selection sort. I hope this is clear for everyone. So in procedure 1, you select minimum value. In procedure 2, you select the maximum value. So procedure value 1 will select the top of the value, and procedure 2 we select the bottom of the value. I hope this is clear for everyone. Now let us discuss about the insertion sort. I hope. Next we will discuss about the third one, insertion sort. We will discuss about the insertion sort. So let me take an example, 7, 4, 5, 2. 7, 4, 5, 2. So 7, 4, 5, 2. Just what we are going to do, first you compare first two values. Okay, this is not in the order, just you write in order. 4 7 5 2. This is okay. Next, you select these three values 1 2 3. So if the values are in order, no problem, but if you see 4 7 5 is not in order, just you make the arrangements in the order. So what is the answer we are getting? This is a 4 5 7 2. 4 5 7 2. Next, you compare all four values 1 2 3 4. So we are expecting the answer here. The final answer is 2 4 5 7. So this is called as a insertion sort. I hope this is clear for everyone. So finally, when you have bubble sort, what we are going to do, that is a in bubble sort, you take all the values, compare first to, then compare next to, then you compare next to, next you compare next to. So this is called as pass 1. So while you are comparing, if first value is less than second value, no problem, but if first value is greater than second value, just you swap. This is called as pass 1. So you do this process until all the elements make order. This is called as a bubble sort. Selection. What is selection? In selection, you take all the values, you compare top of the value with smallest value from this value from this array, then you compare. If you find the smallest value here, you compare these two. If these two are in order, no need to exchange. If this value is, if first value is greater than this value, so what we are going to do, just you swap, exchange. So this is called as a, so like that you go to next location also, this location, you compare all the values from these array. So finally we will get all the comparisons, first location, second location, third location, fourth location. This is the first procedure 1. When you are in a procedure 2, from the given array, bottom of the value, compare with, take the maximum value from the above, and here bottom of the value must be greater than what are the values we mentioned in the above. That is the important thing. So we get this is called as a procedure 2. And finally, insertion sort. In insertion sort, what is going to be do, that is when insertion sort is there, you when elements, 4 elements are there, let us assume first you compare these two, then you compare first 3, first you compare first 2, then you compare first 3, and you do first 4. So this is all about the selection, bubble and insertion sorting mechanisms. Thank you all. Thank you. Please subscribe.